we're going to talk about post-processing a rendering. I think we went over a little bit of this in more depth a couple weeks ago, but there's a couple different ways. And when we talk about the post-rendering, so we have rendered the image and now we want to do more with it. We want to take it to the next level. And to do that, we're going to use outside programs outside of ArchiCAD. So the best fee-based one is Photoshop. Okay, I've never used Photoshop, but I hear it's great for all of your detailed image renderings that you want to do. I tend to go more towards the free editors such as PhotoScape or Gimp, and I can almost always get the effect that I'm looking for that way. So by using our post-rendering software, whichever you're using, I'll just say Photoshop for these examples, we can start combining images together and adjusting the transparency of it to get images that look super customized. So in this case, we did a sketch rendering and a scene render of the same exact view. Okay, so that means that I had this view saved in my 3D window and I just rendered it in two different engines. And now I come over to Photoshop and I lay those images over the top of each other. And by doing that, I'm able to give my photo render kind of a sketched look to it. It looks more customized. Depending on what software you're using, you're going to have different settings that you're able to do. So you can add blurred lines, you can darken the lines, and by playing with the settings within those, you can get different effects that you're going for. You can apply different effects to just a singular image to get different shadowing effects and how things zoom in and zoom out to each other. And you can overlay and manipulate images with a brush overlay. This one is done in Gimp. Okay, so we're taking what has been rendered and we are adding line images over the top of that. By using the brush stroke, you can fade things in and out so you're seeing more or less line work in different parts of the image.